Welcome to Stock Debrief, and we're going to be going over the general market and how I will be trading next week and how I look to see these charts. So, looking at SPX, we are actually broken out of the trend line that has been formed for the past year, and we are overextending out of it pretty strongly. We are starting to get a bull flag going here. If this keeps up, we could see a huge breakout. We could see the break of this trend. But if we end up getting out of this, breaking below this, we'll probably fall back in between the trend line. But another thing that I forgot to use is the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA on trading long term is one of the best EMAs to use, because as you can tell, when above, the market tends to be up, and when below, the market tends to be down. So a common trend I've seen here is that we've had a double bounce and then we'll break out of this 200 EMA. See, we come down, one bounce, two bounce, and then we broke out. We broke out, one bounce, two bounce, we broke out. So right now with the 200 EMA, we're on one bounce, two bounce, and we broke out. So seeing here with that, we could see the market turning around, especially now that we are above the 21 EMA and above the 200. So we got the cross, and RSI is at a good middle point here because the recorrection with the general market, with the market going down right now. But this week was a good trading week. As you can tell, there was no news, and when there's no news, the market isn't as choppy because there's no jump arounds in the prices due to emotional pullouts and buy-ins. So coming into SPY, we are above this resistance level. We broke below it a little bit. We could have a pullback on it, but we are above this 21 EMA. We had the breakout. 200 EMA is we're above that. We had the cross too. SPX and SPY are kind of the same, so it happens quite often. But right now the general market's up, but we have a lot of news coming out. Obviously next week market's probably going to be really choppy, so careful trading around then. Make sure you set up your risk ratios well. But so yeah, we might see a bounce off the 21 EMA now that we're close below this resistance level. If we have a break on this resistance level, we'll probably have a break, but we still have another bull flag forming here. So we'll see how that plays out. If it keeps in between that trend, we could see a breakout to the upside. All right, so going on to AMD. AMD is what I first started out trading in the beginning when I started doing my day trading, and so I feel like I have a pretty good feel for AMD. But look at this, we actually have a trend line starting to form on AMD, and we are coming up with the 200 and the 21 crossing, so we could see another fall down. But if we could keep along this trend line, this actually could be the reversal right here to the bullish market. But if this trend line breaks, we'll obviously be coming back down. The people are saying the market isn't going to recover this year, and honestly, we're starting to see some good greens. Can't really make sure yet, but if we keep following this trend line over the past couple months, we could see a breakout of this downwards market in the future. They're all setting up that way. For watching Stock Debrief, sorry for the bad uploading consistency. It's pretty bad. I've been trying to work on it, but if you like this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, comment. I'll look at it and I'll answer how I can. But look out for the news. We have a lot going on next week, and the next weeks after that. But thanks for watching.